Okay, so welcome to the mock videos. We'll have a look at the stats themselves. So this is question 1. So we need to, okay, so we've got this histogram, and from 14 to 18, 4 centimeters. Find the fruit of this group. So that's got a width of, and it's got a height of, so it's got a height of 4. And that's which is the one that we've got all the information for, is the 5 to 7 one. So we've got 5 to 7, which is obviously a distance of 2, and that's got a height of 5. That's a 2, but the centimetre has got a 1, so 1 times 5, so it's got a 5. And what's the 5 to 7? So number frequency is proportional to, for frequency is equal to k area, so 10 is equal to 5, so k is equal to 2 here. So, and also we've got distance between 5 and 7 is 2, and that gives a width of 1. So here we've got between 14, 18 and 4 have a width of, we've got a height of, so area 8, so the remember is equal to k times frequency is equal, but that's 2 times, so frequency. So that is the first one. That's A. Then we've got estimate the mean time taken by the 120 jobs. Okay, so we need frequency. Okay, so I'd probably just draw this out. Everything, calculators do this. Don't work. So we put the midpoints in. Put the midpoints into our calculator. So 6. So point, and then we've got frequency. So that's 10. Midpoint of 7 and 10 is, what's that, 8.5. Frequency of 23. Midpoint of 10 and 14 is 12. Hang on, 24. Yeah, 12. And that's got a frequency of 51. 14 and 18, we just worked that out. Well, the midpoint of 14 and 18 is 16. It's got a frequency of 6. So, so 10, 51, 15. So, what's the, if we just going to do that. Calculate 1 plus 23, 1 plus 16. Good. We've got, it says in the question, the partially completed table below summarizes the times taken 20 seconds. So the remaining going to be 20 between 18 and 30. Between 18 and 30 is going to be 28 divided by 2, 4. That's it. I need that. Okay, so that's what I'm going to put into my calculator. Go menu, go down to statistics, go to one variable. We've got the x frequency. So can we see that? Oh, it's only out. Can't really look. Oh, there you go. The screen 4. So again, how do we get the menu? Statistics and one variable. X, I'm going to put the going to put the midpoints, then frequency. Obviously, put the midpoints in first. 6, 8.5, 12, 15, 24, and then the frequencies. 10, 23, 6. Options. Go and press options. One variable calc, which is the third one. And what's it asking for? Show you working. Estimate the mean time taken is equal to 13.3625. There you go. The lower quartile of the times is 9.6. The upper quartile of the times is, so that's B, isn't it? So, later, just so at the end when I take the photo, it's clear what we've done. The lower quartile of the time is 6. The upper quartile is 15. These data, an outlier is classified as any value which is Q3 plus 1.5 times the interquartile range. During your working period, explain whether or not there are any times taken by the 120 job applicants might be classified as outliers. So we've got Q1, the lower quartile, is 9.6. Q3 quartile is 15.5. The interquartile range is going to be 15 minus 6. 15.5 minus 9.6, 5.9. So Q3 plus 1.5 times interquartile range is 15.5 plus 1.5 times 9, which is 24.35. 4.35. So yeah, some of them. Yes. Okay, so there could be runners in the last category, right? And 30 longer than 24.35. It's faster 5% for interviews. Estimate the time taken by a job applicant below which they might be given an interview. So this is D. Okay. So we want to find out the first 5%, so it's like the 5th percentile, isn't it? So 5 and 120 is equal to 0.5 times 120, 6. So this is interpolation, right? So and the first, so in between 5 and 7, we've got the first 10 people. So we're in this group, isn't it? People. Its interpolation is somewhere between 5 and 7 in terms of time. Is I'm going to say 5 because we're looking at the 5th. So that's 0 and the 10th person. We've got distance over there. That distance. So let's do it here. 5 minus 5 over 7, 5, 2, 6 minus 0 over minus 0. If we simplify that, we've got space, just move it up a little bit. P5 minus 5 over 2, it should be a 0, 6 over 10. So 6 divided by 10 equals times 2 equals plus 5 equals. P5 is equal to 6.2. And that should be. Yep, all of that looks good. Okay, great. There it is. All right, all answers correct.